Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I am so excited because Stampin' Up! Is having their online extravaganza. It started yesterday and goes to tomorrow, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, November 20th, 21st, and 22nd. So it's before the chaos of next week begins with Thanksgiving and everything. So how awesome is that? Like, knock this out, get your goodies at an awesome discount, and they'll be arriving next week. Like, you could totally stay home on Black Friday and stamp instead. How fabulous would that be? So today I just wanted to show you some of the products that are on this amazing sale. One of the major things that I'm super excited about is ink and cardstock. Hello, I'm going to be stocking up on cardstock, although maybe I don't necessarily need it, but dude, it's on sale. You have to, right? So one of them that is on sale is actually that one right there. So that is the Regals. So you can get 15% off of the Regals, the Neutrals, and all 10 of the in colors, minus Purple Posy. And that is a 15% discount on the individual ink pads, but you can also get a 10% an additional 5%, making it 15% as well, on the bundles as well. So no matter what, you're getting a 15% discount, which is super awesome. Again, that is and I'll hold this up just so that it's a little bit easier. So it's the Neutrals collection and the Regals collection, and then both of the in colors. So both years of in colors. The cardstock does come in Purple Posy. The ink pad does not come in Purple Posy. So those are the ink pads and cardstock that are all 15% off individually, as well as in the ink pad assortment collection. So the ink pad assortment collection is the Neutrals, the Regals, and then of course just this in color set, since Purple Posy is not available. There's also 8 bundles that are at 15% off. So these are bundles that the one is my all-time, actually 2 are my all-time favorites. So you have to buy those because they are so amazing and you're gonna love them just like me. So I'm going to put up this. So this is the 8 bundles. And I know that doesn't really look very good on there, which is why I'm going to show them to you. So my number one favorite is Free as a Bird. Fabulous stamp set, amazing greetings. It's got awesome, gorgeous images that can be used for so many things. And there's flowers. You all know how much I love flowers. But even more so, the framelits that coordinate are these. And these are so versatile. You will use them for everything. All these stitched nested labels are amazing. And then there's this little bar at the bottom to be able to do other things with. So a few little samples. There's this one. So you can see I use the stitched label for stamping those birds. And then I used all of those fabulous images on there. Here's another one, very similar. And then we also have this one. Again, I use that stitched label going up and down. And then an off one, I'm still using those stitched labels for even other cards and occasions too. So super fabulous. I will even show you a sneak peek to one of the other bundles. I used the stitched nested label for this card, and that one goes with the Bloom and Grow. Hello, flowers. You guys know I had to get this one. So gorgeous. And it actually has coordinating framelits as well. Sorry I don't have those on a magnet sheet, so they're just kind of a hot mess. Oh, one dropped. They're little flowers. But it does die cut out each of the flower bouquets, as well as flowers and greenery and stuff like that, like all of these little images here. And I have some fun samples. As you saw, there's this fun sample using that stamp set, and the bundle, because I used it to die cut out the flowers. Then this one, I actually didn't use the framelits. I just stamped it and colored it. And how gorgeous is that card? So super, super fun. Love that one. My other number one sweet, I don't know, I love the Bloom and Grow too, but this one I love because of the punch. I use this punch for everything. Everything. It's so versatile. It's so perfect. It's just punch and go. I love it. But then this is the Memorable Mosaic stamp set. So I have some samples to show with that. There's this fabulous sample. You can see I used the stamp set as well as the greeting down there at the bottom and the punch. And then hashtag I make messes. So there's that. Here's a clean sample. Then here's the stamp set again. It doesn't have the Just Breathe in it. It just has the tree. The Just Breathe is from another fabulous stamp set that I love. That was not a heart. And then here it is again. So you can see it also labels with the Everyday Label Punch so well. Isn't that absolutely amazing? Here I use the punch. So versatile. Here I use the punch. Super versatile. I just cut it off on the end here. Again, layered it on that Everyday Label Punch. So versatile. You guys, you need that bundle. It is amazing. One of the other ones that I have is the Path of Petals. And I have a couple times that I've used the greetings and the flowers, but I don't actually have any completed cards or still left over. Like I used them, but not any completed cards in my stash. And then of course, here's the framelits. And again, those are like awesome little frames that can be used for so much. So super, super versatile with the Path of Petals. So those are all of the ones that I own. High possibility I'm going to get the rest during this amazing sale. The Dino Days is super cute, which is right there in the center. But I will be leaving links down below for all of these so that you can check them out by clicking in person on the link on your computer. But anyway, you can check those out. I will leave links down below for all of these items. Again, don't forget that the sale is today and tomorrow, and that's it. So it ends on Friday at midnight. So you definitely want to take advantage of these awesome deals. Finish out your cart or your collections of ink pads in the neutrals, the in colors, and the regals. Stock up on card stock, because who doesn't ever need extra card stock, especially those neutral colors. You can always use those. And then regals are always good throughout the winter season and stuff like that. Even though I'm a Brights girl, I still love those colors. Cherry Cobbler, I love you, Cherry Cobbler. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the online extravaganza. I just wanted to come on to share with you this awesome sale and also show you some samples and some fun and everything like that. So you can always check out all of these samples on my blog, laurastampad.com. Again, I'll leave links below for all these items so that you can get them on sale too and enjoy them. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. Hit that bell so that you get notifications on what day is Tuesday and Thursday, because I'll be honest, I don't even know what day it is usually. And I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.